Hey there, Leslie Sansone Williams here. Wanted to talk to you today about a question that came up for me, and I wanted to share this with you. These are some of the questions that will actually help you in your interview with a law firm, because you have to know the answer to these before you ever step foot in the door for the interview. The main question is, why would the law firm be better off for having hired you, for having you on board? Now, that sounds like an interview question, right? But that's one that you need to figure this out before you ever go in there. And it's not just for an interview, it's for you, for inside, that you understand your worth, that you understand what is the value of you. And what do you bring to the law firm? What can you bring to them? You have to be able to articulate that and give that to them. All right? So here's a question number one. If you have a piece of paper, write these down and answer them when you have time. What are you known for? When you're in the workplace, do people compliment you on specific things or give you praise for certain things? Or your coworkers, do they ever say anything about you concerning these items, like creativity, efficiency? Are you efficient? Are you an organized person? Are you a numbers person? That type of stuff. What are some of those areas that you feel you're known for, that you're good at? And what are other people saying? All right, so what are they seeing? Because some of these things are your gifts that are coming out, that other people notice, that you notice too. So write some of those down. Why would the firm be better off for hiring you? If you're like kind of stuck on that, think about what you could bring to them. What is it that would make them happy for the day that they said yes to you? Why would they be happy about it? What would make their lives so much easier? What do you bring to the table? All right? And number three, can you solve problems for them? Now, I know if you have never worked in a firm, you don't know the culture or the inner workings of the firm, but watch some of my other videos, the 50 plus videos that are on here. Watch a couple a week. You'll get a feel for what's involved in this career. What can you bring to the table that might help them, that might be of value to that law firm? How could you verbalize that in the interview to them? That might make them say, nobody's ever said that before. Nobody's ever told me what they could do for us here. So they may be asking you, but you need to have that answer ready for them. And if they don't ask that question, you might say, can I tell you what I could do for your, like the positive aspects of what I can bring to the law firm? So it's very good to make that known. You're actually doing your own public relations when you go to an interview. You're selling yourself, yes, but you're being a public relations person for you. You're the product. So when you are employed in the law firm, you want to show your best side always. Show that. Don't let down. And be consistent with showing that best side. Don't try hard not to, when you are calm and collected, don't fly off the handle. Try to stay calm and collected. That's what you will be known for. I was told often, not like I've said before, not that I felt calm inside. I didn't. I felt nervous and shaky inside. But when you are known, and attorneys brag on this, that you're the calm in the storm, yeah, it puts pressure on you for always to be calm in the storm, but they can rely on you to be consistent. You're the same, and they can rely on that, on as to who they hired, and then you've consistently been that. And that this is why I stress proofreading your documents, not just using spell check, but really looking over that document for grammar mistakes and spelling mistakes, because you will be known for being the person who is consistent and thorough, the one who tries hard not to let anything slip through the cracks. No, there's no perfection, but you have to strive for it. Okay, so be consistent with yourself and with your work product, the documents you put out, anything that you do in the law firm. Be consistent with that as well. And then, what is different about you? For me, I'm the calm in the storm. I tried hard not to hurt anybody's feelings in the law firm. You know, I didn't always succeed, but I tried hard to be kind to people. Even when they were being unkind to me, I just would not go down. I didn't want to sink to that level. And it was commented on later. And one lady was amazed that I didn't snap at her. And I said, well, I didn't want to go to that level. And that was giving her a clue as to what I thought about her behavior. But I became friends with this woman who was very mean to me in the beginning. And so be kind to people. It will pay. Instead of, don't be the bully. Do not go down that path. Kindness pays off. Bullying does not. It will bite you, literally bite you, and it's not a good path to take. All right, so think on how would you be an asset? How would the firm be better off for hiring you? Why should they hire you? List out those things. What are you known for? Why would the firm be better off? Can you solve problems for the law firm? Be consistent with who you are and your work product, and be kind. So that's it for today. Think on those things and let me know what you think in the comments below, and what your ideas are about that. Why would you be a fit for that law firm? Why would they be better off with you? And let me know what you think about this video and other videos you've watched. I really love to read your comments, and I'll respond back. And also, let me know if you have ideas for other videos. If you have questions, that's really wonderful when you post those. So thank you so much if you already have. And don't forget to come say hello at Facebook's Paralegal Coffee Talk, our page over there, because it's not a group of seasoned veteran paralegals. It's a combination. It's people who have never worked in the field, paralegal students, and some veteran paralegals are there too. So stop on by, and don't forget to visit the website at lesliesansonwilliams.com and check out my book, Legal Break-In, on Amazon, and then the podcast at Cast Now. So have a good day, and check out some of the other videos. I'll post some above, and click on those. I know they'll be a benefit to you. Take care, and catch me in the next video. Bye.